Hey guys, this is Shyam here, international B2B SEO consultant. And today we are going to talk about a fancy term called Pogo-Sticking, but in the world of SEO. Now, Pogo-Sticking, you might have heard the word bounce rate. A bounce rate is basically when a user visits the website and quickly bounces back, typically less than 10 seconds. Uh, now, Pogo-sticking is specifically when you apply bounce rate in the aspect of search engine, right? So somebody searches for something, even you might have done it. You search for something, you see a result, you click on it, and then you look at the website and you realize that, hey, this is not what I wanted. You go back, right? That's Pogo-sticking. If you do it quickly enough, then that's Pogo-sticking. Now, why is it relevant? Pogo-sticking is important because if your users are bouncing back by after seeing a page and within a few seconds they are coming back, it means that the intent was not satisfied, right? Now that's bad for Google because Google thinks that, hey, user didn't get a good experience. They wanted something, they thought this particular link is going to give them the answer. They went there, didn't find it, came back quickly, right? So in general, our aim should be to reduce this kind of activity by the user, focus sticking by the user. Now, how do you do that? To do that, you need to ensure that your pages are getting ranked for the right kind of intent, and your content should serve that intent, right? Let me give you an example. Let's say you're talking about how to brew tea, right? Now, a lot of people, what they do is when they are just so that you rank more, what they do is they'll in the content how to brew tea, they will write about their products. Let's say they are a tea selling company. They'll write about their products, their variants, and all of that. And in the end, or somewhere in the content, they'll write like 2 lines about how to brew tea. Everything else would be around their products. This is bad because you even if you rank for how to brew tea, and people will come, they'll realize that this is just a sales page of sorts, and they'll bounce back quickly, and that will affect overall credibility of your website. So pogo sticking is it looks a term, but it's a simple term which talks about bounce rates when it comes to search engine results, and you should be avoiding that. How to avoid it? Make sure your content matches the intent. So make sure your content matches the intent, right? That's all.